Makerspace is a place where you can challenge yourself with cool new activities.
And challenge yourself to try something new or something you're interested in.
Electronic cards,
Coding, origami, painting,
Electronics, IQ games,
robotics,
challenges, inventing.
sewing.
Welcome to the Hidden River Makerspace, a place for creativity, engineering, and learning.
At the Hidden River Makerspace, you can make a lot of things, fun things, cool things, and musical things just for short measure. But there are a lot of tools, electrical tools as such, and those are very dangerous. So you need to watch a video and then get a certified badge to make sure you can use those safely. And after that, the Hidden River Makerspace is your oyster.
When you come into Makerspace, there will be a lot of options and baskets for you to do. Choose a basket that you're interested in and bring it back to your workspace. This is an electronics basket that has copper tape and LED lights. Notice how this copper tape is very messy. You want to keep your supplies neat and tidy.
Multiple snap circuit kits available. Even if they do run out of battery, please be responsible and recycle the batteries and find new ones.
The Makerspace will have a lot of building projects, including a light-up card, a cardboard guitar, and all you have to do is to get started is to scan the QR code and watch the instructional video.
Makerspace has a lot of Legos and other building things. But please remember, after you're done, please remember to clean up after yourself.
We are going to be using the Spheros and other robots in the Makerspace library. Be available for checkout with Miss O'Neill. Robots are very expensive and they can break, so you need to be responsible for them. When the cleanup bell rings, it's really important to bring your robot back to Miss O'Neill and check them in.
Makerspace, there are a lot of good books that have interesting ideas in it that you can find. You can find something that might interest you, like the milk jug siphon. And there are a lot of other great ideas in this, so if you don't know what you want to make, you can just come find one of these books, or there are a bunch of other books too that you can just come and find, and they'll have good ideas in it that you can make.
Makey-makeys are super fun. All you have to do is just watch the tutorial first. So at the Makerspace, there's going to be a makey kit, and it has this breadboard it's got all these little tiny pieces, so we have to be extra responsible and careful, especially when plugging it in, because this part where you plug it
In Makerspace, it's really important and it's really helpful to work with other people, and that's what Makerspace is all about. These red baskets are for you to put unfinished projects in, and then you can come put them up on the shelf so then they're safe for the next day.
Over here, there will be more supplies. If you don't have materials, you can come over here and find something. Only take what you need. If you don't need something, just put it back. If you think you might need something and then end up not needing to use it, then come put it back where you found it.
We need to use all our supplies, so it would be really helpful if you be careful and recycle the rest of the stuff that we're done using, so that way we can use it for later.
Now that you know a little bit about what a Makerspace is, let's take a tour of our Hidden River Makerspace. When you use the Makerspace, you'll be here for a purpose. We have containers for garbage. We have baskets for your supplies. You want to make sure that you return your supplies when you're done using them, so they're there for the next person. Supplies that are located here on the shelves. If you have extra supplies that can be recycled, please place them in this bin. If there are items that need to be repaired, we have a to be fixed bin. It's located here. The challenge boxes are located here on the shelves. There will be different challenges changed out weekly. This week we have Lego challenges, and there are different task cards located here in the binder. There are also going to be challenges with Connects that also has a binder that has the challenges listed. Pipe cleaner challenges. In the creating section, we have different projects where you can use your imagination to create things such as origami bookmarks, sewing, and other different projects like origami. If you see a QR code located on any of these items, you want to scan it so that you can view the video for instructions on how to complete the project. This cabinet will contain different items for you to learn about coding, including our Spherobots and other items that you can learn about JavaScript. This cabinet houses things that are used for electronics projects. Up here we have a drawer for batteries and copper tape. When you use such electronic projects like Makey, there are a lot of alligator clips that you need to be careful that they do not get tangled. So when you're returning the items to the cabinet, you want to make sure that they are tidy. Also, we have different projects that you can do in the Makerspace electronics section. If you see a QR code, scan that so you can learn how to do things like working with copper tape, how to make a light-up greeting card. This is our engineering zone. In the engineering section, we have a lot of different projects that you can build at different levels. If you are just starting out, we have the electronic snap circuits up here. We also have the more advanced electronic snap circuits that have hundreds of different activities for you to build that are more advanced. There are also Legos and Connects that are located here. These baskets in the engineering section will contain different building challenges, such as building a bridge, building a catapult, and other different projects.